welcome to my channel. If you are an existing subscriber, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much. And if you are new or have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel when I tell you. We're going to have so much fun, okay? I told you this is going to be a hodgepodge of my life. I'm going to show you things, my DIYs. I'm going to show you how I manage my 4 kids, how I garden, just a bunch of stuff, makeup that I love, okay? This is going to be so fun. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, today's video is going to be all about a DIY where I repurpose and bring some life to an old table, an old chair that I had. And I wanted to put it on my front porch, you know, just like I have a nice sitting area on my front porch. So when I come outside and I have to watch my kids while they're riding their scooters or bikes or whatever they're doing outside, playing hopscotch, playing with sidewalk chalk, whatever they're doing out here, so I can have a nice place to sit, a nice relaxing place to sit. Let me show you how I brought some life to this old chair and this old table. And it's not even really a table, it's actually a plant stand. Okay, I took a plant stand and turned it into a table. Watch, y'all. I'm about to show you. Okay, y'all, so here is the table. Not quite yet a table, but the flower stand that I'm going to transform into a table. And here is that old chair that I am going to bring some life back to it. So here's that flower stand and here is that chair. Okay, so after cleaning that chair, I dried it down really well, and then I spray painted it a nice teal color. And I used a spray paint that had a primer in it as well, so I didn't have to do a priming step. And I only did one single coat. Now, in future videos, I'll show you if you want to see how I spray paint items. I do have another do-it-yourself video coming up where I'm going to be but bringing some life back to some furniture at my parents' house, some outside furniture. So that's gonna be fun, so stay tuned for that. That's if this video alone is not enough reason to subscribe for all the other upcoming videos that are gonna be so fun. Okay, but anyways, so I spray painted that chair a nice teal color because I love teal. Okay, so I spray painted it a nice teal color, and then let me show you some of the gems that I found that's going to help transform, okay, what appeared to be garbage into some treasure. Okay, and the stuff that I found was very affordable, so stay tuned, watch, you'll see. So I got this outdoor candle with the citronella in it. And this was only $16.99 at Marshall's. Look how big this candle is. And I'm going to do a follow-up video and let you all know how long this will last. But this was only $16.99. And look how cute. It is so pretty. Some more candles that I got from Marshall's. And it's a set of 3. And these are pretty big size too. I don't know how long they will last, but this was only $10. And it says compared to 18, so that's like half off the original price according to their price tag. And this is the Patio companion set. And it has the citronella in it to keep those pesky mosquitoes and flies away. Hey guys, so I got this to put on the little table that I'm going to pair with the chair. So this is going to be a part of my DIY project. And this was only $1 at at the Dollar Tree. Only $1. And they have these in a variety of colors, which is cool for outdoor furniture. So you could actually put this on a table and have like an actual tablescape where you have your placemat, your plates, everything all nice and pretty, and then put your candle in the middle. So that would be really pretty. But this is just going to go on a small table, and I'm going to show you how I am going to put this on the table. Okay, so now that I showed you those gems, let me show you how I use them, okay, to bring this table and this chair some life. Okay, let me show you what I did. You're gonna be like, okay, I see you. Yeah, you gonna see me. Just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I took that placemat that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I took my floral wire that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I attached the placemat to the flower stand using the floral wire. And what the floral wire is going to do is to keep the actual placemat from flying off the actual now table. Okay, so after I put the placemat on that now, what is now considered a table, I put my cushion on my chair, and then I put my citronella candle, and I added a glass of wine just so you can see and imagine how nice it would be just to have the candle and a glass of wine. Or you could just have the citronella candle on the table by itself and it will look nice and elegant. Here I'm showing you faux flowers and one of the little white citronella candles. Look at how elegant and beautiful that is. It will add a nice little elegance when you're out on the table. Add a glass of wine and have yourself a really, really good time. Or you can bring out some of your home decor and add candles, however you want. Just different ways that you can style your side table next to your chair. Okay, so I hope this inspires you. If you have any old furniture that you can do a DIY on, you know, old wooden table, metal table, metal chair, wooden chair, and you need some patio furniture or some furniture for your front porch, sun porch, whatever, you can repurpose it and make it suitable with just a little bit of spray paint, some affordable decor. I transformed, okay, a flower stand into a table. I got the flower stand from the dollar store. I got the little mat that went on it. It's like the new tabletop. I got that from Dollar Tree for $1, okay? And all of the citronella candles that I got came from either Marshall's or Ross. Really affordable. Keeps the bugs away. Add a little bit of decor. I also got my cushion from Ross, and it was affordable, only $8. So for little to nothing, I made myself some either patio furniture or front porch furniture. So hopefully this will be some inspiration and give you ideas on how to do DIYs or how to dress up a little side table by your chair. I plan to do more videos dressing up that little table, as well as another table that I'm going to do at my parents' house where you can add a whole tray. Okay, so you can put a tray on your table and add little pieces. I also have other videos on how to, or ideas for how to style trays for your dining room or front room or whatever formal room you want to put trays on. So I'll do the same thing for outside decor. Things that you may want to add to a tray or add to a table, a patio table, side table. That's coming soon. So please subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun doing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and have fun watching this video. And to all my existing subscribers, again, I really, really appreciate your support. Thank you. Thank you so very much. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And I will talk to you all tomorrow.